Hello everybody, my name is Taro from Aichi Group, and today I will be introducing new job openings for you. And this is a car manufacturing company, and what you're gonna do is to manufacture cars in this company. So they're hiring 1 to 2 people, and it is located in Aichi prefecture, and the monthly salary is 184,000 to 300,000 yen per month. And also there will be bonuses given, and all you have to know is daily conversational Japanese level. So if you have all these requirements, you can apply for this job. And if you are interested in also, like, you can come on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 2 p.m. for the job fairs. By coming to the job fair, you can get interviewed at your specific positions at those times, and you can also get the Ziara certificate, which is the permission to get interviewed for those companies. And this blue ticket is for people who's getting interviewed on the same day. They can come to the cafe and also have lunch. And if you have more questions, you can call this number and get more information. Thank you so much.